Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to improve sound quality on Android 16. And let's begin. So there is one very simple and very easy to toggle function that will improve your sound quality tremendously. So let's go into the settings. Inside settings, let's scroll down and find our sounds and vibration. Now scroll down a little until you'll see adaptive sound. You want to go into it, and now all you want to do is simply enable this feature. As you can see and as you can probably read, it will improve the sound quality from your phone speaker, and it will use the microphone to assess the acoustics near you, and then it will adjust the sound equalizer settings for your environment, so basically you will have a better sound quality. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.